Okay guys, here's the golf problem. I've seen this one probably 3 times at this point. They like it. It's a nice law of cosines problem. So a golfer hits a shot, the ball ends up over here, but the tee's way over here. How far is the ball from the tee? So they've told you this is 40 yards, this is 120 yards, and you have the angle between. So if you have two sides and the angle between, you're going to use the law of cosines. They want to know this distance. So I've called this distance C. I've marked this as A and this is B, and then this is our angle C. So we fill it in. C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of C. I plug all my numbers in, and I get that C squared equals 18,484. And then I take the square root. So the distance from the ball to the tee is 136.0 yards. Be prepared to do that one. I've seen it several times. I really think it was on the test last year too. Okay, here's another one. They want you to find the area of this triangle. In this triangle, again, we don't have right angles, so we're going to have to use one of our fancier formulas, but they've given us all the sides. The formula for the area of the triangle, whenever they give us all the sides, we use that S term. That S is pretty much half, or it is, half the perimeter. So we add all of our sides together and we take half. In this case, we get 10.5. Then we use the S in the square root formula. So we take the square root of S times S minus one side times S minus the second side times S minus the third side. You plug everything in, put it all in the calculator at one time. Take the square root, and we get that the area of this triangle, without knowing any right angles, is 17.41 square units. Okay, the next problem that we're moving on to is, actually we're done with our 5-point problems. So the next set of videos is going to be 4-point problems, and then there's actually one 3-point problem at the very end. Okay, I'll make them fast.